Welcome back, everyone. So, could we have another kind of list within the definition list? Well, the answer is actually yes. So, remember how these tags work. Basically, whenever you put in a tag, it doesn't stop reading until the tag is closed. So, if I put in the DD and if I don't close the tag off here, what I can end up doing is I can actually put in an unordered list if I want to, right? So I'm just going to push unordered list, and I'm actually going to close that off as well. So you see we have an unordered list, and watch what happens when I put in a list item. So I can say list item, and then this is so much fun. Because it is so much fun. Alright, there we go. And make sure I spell everything correctly. Alright, now again, if I put something here, I can say, definition. Okay, and then I can add in as many list items as I want here. Okay, and you can see how this works here. Is basically I can add in as many list items as I want as long as they're in between the tag. Even if I'm in between the unordered list tags, for example, right here, I can put in an ordered list if I want to. Right? As long as I don't close any of this here. So I can actually put in an unordered list right here. And I close off the tag, and as you can see here, the unordered list is unaffected because I've closed off the ordered list tag. So if I put in a list item, you can see that this is going to be, list item. And there we go. And that's how you pretty much add in unordered lists, and that's how you make lists, really dynamic if you want. All right? I'll see you guys next.